has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Belmont County, Guernsey County, Monroe County, Musqueam County, Noble County, until 9 a.m. At 3:56 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.8 and 1.2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Zanesville, Cambridge, Barnesville, Woodsfield, Caldwell, New Concord, Desville, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Frazeysburg, Dudley, Philo, Quaker City, Pleasant Grove, Senecaville, Pleasant City, Bealsville, Cumberland, and Lower City. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for
Holy
the following
crap.
counties in Ohio.
It is
Franklin and Licking
3:59.
for today and tonight. A brief period of
Flash flood warning. That's insane.
wind chill values between
Got woken up by that. I turned off my AR-210 in case it happens again. Just as I fall asleep, bruh.
flood warning in effect until 11:15 a.m. this morning. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of southeast Ohio, including the following counties: Athens, Jackson, Morgan, Perry, Vinton, and Washington. When? Until 11:15 a.m. Sunday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 5:11 a.m., gauge reports indicated flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Athens, Marietta, Belper, Nelsonville, New Lexington, Gloucester, McConnellsville, MacArthur, Somerset, Beverly, Shawnee, Chester Hill, Perry State Forest, Lake Hope State Park, Crooksville, Newport, Chauncey, Thornville, Junction City, and New Straitsville. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 9 a.m.
Flash
this
flood
morning for
and regular
southwestern
flood.
Belmont, Guernsey,
Stop scaring me. Shout out to Eli for telling me ahead of time.
Here is a river flood warning. Flood warning in effect from this morning to early Monday afternoon. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Hocking River at Enterprise. When? From this morning to early Monday afternoon. Impacts: at 14 feet, water spills into Kashimoka Park in Logan and onto low-lying roads near Haydenville Road at some locations along the river. Also, water will be across State Route 93 just south of Logan. Lowland flooding also occurs in Rockbridge. Additional details: at 6 a.m. Sunday,
Casually watching case while all this plays out.
the river is expected to rise above flood stage late this morning to a crest of 14.9 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage Monday morning. Flood stage is 12 feet. watch remains in effect through this afternoon. For the
Yeah, so, ever since the first flood warning at, 5 a.m., I just decided to stay up. It's 6 now, so I feel like this is gonna be an hourly thing. Because the first one was at 4, second one at 5, and this one at 6. It's interesting. So yeah. Let's see what happens at 7.
Here is a river flood warning. Flood warning in effect from this morning to late this afternoon. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Little Miami River at Spring Valley. When? From this morning to late this afternoon. Impacts at 11 feet. Flooding impacts short areas of Middletown and Waynesville roads, in addition to Corwin Road and Corwin Park. Backwater flooding may impact Route 725 and Cigar Creek Township. Additional details. At 7 a.m. Sunday, the stage was 10.9 feet. The river will continue to rise to near 11.5 feet by this afternoon before slowly receding later today. Flood stage is 11 feet. Here is a winter weather advisory for the following county: Fayette, Ohio. Winter weather
Funny
advisory
story.
in effect from 7
I
a.m.
predicted it was gonna happen at 7:35,
What? Snow expected.
but it happened at 7:32, so I was pretty close.
As a wintry mix.
The reason why I predicted that is because the last one happened at 6:25,
Possible.
and before that it was
High at 40 miles an
5:15.
hour this morning through early evening. Where?
Interesting.
Kentucky. Flood warning in effect until 12:45 p.m. this afternoon. What? Urban areas and small streams flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of east central Ohio, including the following counties: Coshocton, western Guernsey, Muskingum, west central Noble, and Tuscarawas. When? Until 12:45 p.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 9:38 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Zanesville, New Philadelphia, Dover, Coshocton, Cambridge, Newcomerstown, Strasburg, New Concord, West Lafayette, Cigar Creek, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Frazeysburg, Bolivar, Baltic, Philo, Mineral City, Warsaw, and Port Washington. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flood warning in effect until
The next day.
flood warning in effect until this evening. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Scioto River at Circleville. When? Until this evening. Impacts: at 15 feet, low-lying agricultural and bottomland becomes flooded, while flooding begins along island and canal roads. Additional details: at 10:45 a.m. Monday, the stage was 14.9 feet. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 15 feet this afternoon. Flood stage is 15 feet.
That went off.
Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast
Sweet.
for Central Ohio.
You have one
Rest of today, mostly sunny.
One red?
Then becomes
It said you have one red messages. It didn't say unread.
West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25
I'm gonna try to hear
miles
that
an hour.
again.
Tonight, partly cloudy. Cold with lows 5 to 10 above. Northwest winds 5 to 10
Well, the
miles an
HH4
hour.
finally went off along with the entire collection.
Below. Tuesday, partly cloudy.
Come on, say it again.
With highs 15 to 20.
You have one red message.
Yeah, it's saying that.
Lopez.
That's crazy.
Keep your kids